Welcome students, this is IGCSE June 2022 Extended Paper 2 058023. So we will start off with the first question. Let me write the question. The probability of picking a red sweet from a bag is 0.05. Now we are asked to find the probability of not picking a red sweet. Now remember, the probability of an event occurring is given as 1. And if you want to find the probability of an event not occurring, then we will have to use the following formula. What is given? Given the probability of picking a red sweet. This is 0.05. Now the total probability is going to be always 1. Of an event happening for sure is 1. So we have to find the probability of not picking the red sweet. So that is going to be 1 minus the probability of picking the red sweet. So this is going to be 1 minus 0.05. So what happens? This is going to give you, from 10 you take away 5, and this is going to be 9, and this is going to be 0. So solution is 0.95. How do you write this? You write it like this: probability of not red sweet is 0.95. Box it. That's the solution. First question solution. So let's move on.